Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Quick guide on today's video. I'm going to show you how to send stickers on Signal app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on the screen, you can see conversation option, search option, chats, calls and stories. All you have to do is go ahead and go to top right corner, then select new message, select the person that you want to send stickers to. There you can see right above your keyboard there's plus sign, your sticker option, camera option and microphone option. Just tap on that sticker option. There you're gonna find different stickers. Just select one of the stickers there and tap on it. And guys, that's it. That's how you send a sticker on Signal app. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.